Hello friends, welcome to Crux. First of all, you need to download notch.We app from Play Store and then open it. It will ask for overlay permission, so grant it by selecting display over other apps and go back to app. Then again it will say turn overlay service on. This time you have to enable it in accessibility services. Go to more downloaded services and turn on notch.We option. Move back to app. You will see this type of screen. Now select your notch according to your phone, like it is rounded, teardrop or medium type. Then do not change other settings, they will set up accordingly to your phone. Move to next page and enable charging animation service. Now if you want to set according to you, then try option you like to change.